Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights. First, find a flat, level surface and park your vehicle 25 feet away from a wall. It's important to have your fuel tank about half full and your tire pressure set correctly for an accurate reading. Next, use masking tape to mark the wall. Place a vertical line for your vehicle's center and one for the center of each headlight. Then, add a horizontal line across the wall at the exact height of your headlight centers. Now, let's find those adjustment points. Pop open your hood and look for the headlight assemblies. You'll typically find a vertical adjustment screw for each headlight, often a Torx or Phillips head, usually accessible through a small hole above the light. Some vehicles might also have a separate screw for horizontal adjustments. You'll likely need a long Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket to turn these adjusters. With your low beams on, observe the light pattern projected onto the wall. The goal is to position the brightest part of the beam. For vertical adjustment, turn the screw until the top edge of the intense light is about 2 inches below your horizontal tape line. If your vehicle has horizontal adjusters, aim the brightest part of the beam to be centered or slightly to the left of each headlight's vertical tape line. Remember to make small, gradual turns and recheck the pattern each time. After adjusting, ensure both headlights are aimed consistently for balanced illumination. Switch to your high beams. Their brightest point should typically be centered just below the horizontal line you marked. Finally, take your vehicle for a test drive at night. This allows you to confirm that your headlights provide clear visibility without dazzling oncoming drivers. If you're still uncertain about the alignment, a professional service can provide precise adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.